Aloha, it's Lucky. I'm still on Maui, and I send you light and love here at sunrise. I am reading to you from my book, Quiet Your Mind Chatter. That's also the name of my podcast. This is an affirmation. You ready? Repeat after me. My thoughts come and go. They are separate from me. My thoughts come and go. They are separate from me. I love that reminder because it took a long time for me to manifest peace in my head because I had such mind chatter. I had this non-stop reel of worry. I thought it was productive because it was telling me what to do, and then I realized at some point these are all lies. Even if it's an actual to-do list, the feeling behind it is fear. If I don't get this to-do list done, then something bad's gonna happen. No, the bad thing is happening right now. It's the fear that's telling me that I need to be afraid. And those thoughts are separate from me. I thought those thoughts were me and I had to take action upon them or something bad would happen. And through practicing different wellness practices, using different wellness tools, over the years, slowly over time, I've been able to heal and to realize that I can be at peace. I can be happy right now. I don't have to check everything off the to-do list before I can relax and be happy. And when I have a thought that disturbs me, I can just see that thought as separate. It's in a balloon, and that thought is floating away, and I'm still here, and I'm happy without that thought. So that's my affirmation for you this week to practice. You can write it by rote, which means you just pick maybe the next 3 days, you write it 3 times. So you wake up in the morning, oh Lord, the wind's blowing my hair. I need some hairspray. I never wear hairspray here on Maui, and then I come out to make a video, my hair's sticking up, and every time I'm like, oh man, like I should have brought some hairspray. Okay, or maybe a hairnet, I don't know about that. My thoughts are separate from me. They come and go. All right. You are cordially invited to my upcoming in-person retreat. It's March 11th and 12th, and I hope you come. It's here on Maui. It's at a beautiful outside location. It's going to be just in the afternoon, a couple of hours on March 11th and a couple of hours the next day on March 12th. And it gives us an opportunity to work together in person, and it gives you a reason to come to Maui. I've been hearing from some of my clients and a lot of my friends on the mainland that, oh, I wish I could come to Maui. Well, your wish is coming true. Check out information on my website. I'm happy to help you answer any questions to see if this is a good fit, and I hope to see you here soon. Aloha, my wellness. My website is wellnesswithlucky. That might be helpful information. Thanks.